Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain to you how to use a VPN. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's a service that allows you to hide your IP address, replace it with a new one, and by doing so, be able to browse the web anonymously. A VPN has many other benefits that we presented in the video about the VPN definition and use cases that you can check out if you click on the pop-up in the top right corner of the screen. However, even though technology behind a quality VPN is complex, using this software is actually quite simple, and it all boils down to a few clicks of a mouse or a few taps on the screen on your smartphone or tablet. There are dozens of VPNs on the market, and logically this begs the question how to use a VPN properly. Well, I'm going to answer that question and show you how to use a VPN by showing you two very popular VPNs. Let's first start with ExpressVPN, the best VPN that you can currently get that offers not only lots of servers and fast speeds, but also very intuitive applications for all devices. And best of all, even though I'm showing you how to use a VPN on my Windows PC, the same principle applies to all other devices, so you don't have to be excessively smart to learn how to use a VPN. As you can see, this is ExpressVPN's application, and currently I'm not connected to a VPN server. But what I'm going to do now is click here to open the server list, where I get recommended servers but also all locations to be able to choose the location of my choice. Let's click on all locations, and from here I can choose a VPN server from any of the 3000 servers in 94 locations that ExpressVPN has to offer. For example, let's click on Europe and try to connect to a server in the UK. To do so, you can double click on this country, or you can click once on it and then click once on the connection button to establish a connection. After a few seconds, the connection is established, and now I have a UK IP address which will make any website I try to visit believe that I'm located in this country. Here's the proof that I really have an IP address from the United Kingdom directly from the website called iplocation.net. To disconnect from the VPN server, all you have to do is click once on this connection button, and now I'm back to my true IP address, which I can't show for obvious reasons. How to use a VPN if you want to customize your experience? In that case, you need to open the settings menu, which in this case represent the three horizontal dots in the top left corner of the screen. Click on them and then choose options. Just to make it clear, we're going through some of the fundamental VPN settings and functions in this video, but if you want to know how to use ExpressVPN specifically, you can check our video about that by clicking on the pop-up in the top right corner of the screen. The first thing you'll see is Network Lock, and it's ExpressVPN's fancy name for a kill switch. A kill switch is here to disable your internet connection if the VPN connection is lost, so that you don't expose your IP or DNS address in case ExpressVPN suddenly disconnects, which happens almost never, by the way. We recommend turning this option on, especially if you're browsing the dark web or downloading torrents. Another setting is called Split Tunneling, and it lets you choose which apps and websites will use a VPN tunnel and which apps and websites will bypass the VPN tunnel. This is a premium feature, so you can get it on any VPN. In the protocols menu, you can change from a variety of different protocols, where OpenVPN is usually a default protocol and represents a perfect balance of speed and security. Lightway, on the other hand, is ExpressVPN's version of WireGuard and focuses more on speed and performance, making it great for streaming. By the way, we recommend using an automatic setting in this case and let ExpressVPN decide what's the best. Finally, you can enable or disable IPv6 leak protection in case you need IPv6 connectivity. By default, it's turned on, but of course, if you need IPv6 connectivity, you can completely disable it. What if you want to use another VPN? How to use a VPN in that case? Well, there's another example, CyberGhost. At first, it's very different than ExpressVPN, but you'll see that it's pretty easy to use. CyberGhost gives you its server list right away, and it has 7,000 servers in 90 countries worldwide, including special servers for streaming and torrenting that you can choose on the left side of the app. You can also choose servers based on their load, which you can see right here. To connect to the server you want, once again, choose the location you want and double click on it, or just click once and use the connection button to establish a connection. After a few seconds, you will once again get an IP address from another country, and in this case I have a Canadian IP address, which I can prove by visiting the website iplocation.net. As you can see, my IP address is now based in Canada, and it's right here. To disconnect, of course, click on the connection button once again and you're back to your native IP address. Before we conclude the video about how to use a VPN, we want to mention the reason why we focus primarily on ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is, simply put, the best VPN you can get on the market, and since it offers a very minimalistic and intuitive application, it's a perfect example to answer the question of how to use a VPN. It has the fastest speeds, 3000 plus servers, lots of security features, a verified no logging policy, and even offers 5 simultaneous connections on a single account so that you can protect multiple devices with just one subscription. ExpressVPN even works with Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and other streaming platforms, and each server is P2P friendly, so you can download torrents without any limits, thanks to unlimited bandwidth that this VPN has to offer. We like that ExpressVPN even offers 24/7 support if you need any help, making it easy to fix some of the issues that might appear seldom. And as I said, if you want to know how to use a VPN, you can apply this principle to every device that this VPN offers, given that it offers nearly identical applications for iOS, Android, Linux, macOS, and many other platforms. Finally, we need to point out that this is not a free VPN, but with all the features, blistering performance, and rock-solid security, you can't expect it to come with no price. Thankfully, ExpressVPN offers a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee, which lets you get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase, just in case you want to test it out and see how to use a VPN. If you're interested in getting ExpressVPN, make sure you get this deal by using the following link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or you can just click on the link in the description below to get this deal. As you had a chance to see, the answer to the question of how to use a VPN is very simple, and using ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, or any other VPN is not painfully complex. Even premium VPNs with lots of features like ExpressVPN are quite easy to use, making them great for beginners and those who don't want to spend a lot of time to learn how to use a VPN. So, that was all for today's video, we hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video, bye!